Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to make mashed potato and lamb chops. I'll start by arranging my lamb, then I will season this with black pepper. I will season with salt and then oregano spice. This is optional. I will go ahead to add parsley. Then I will be adding dry basil and then I will add some olive oil to lock in the seasoning. Then I will add some soya pepper for extra flavor. I will add curry spice as well. Flip it and then season the other side. On the other hand, I will add butter into my pan, allow to melt, add olive oil, then place in the seasoned lamb. Cook this for some minutes and then we'll add some bay leaf just for extra flavor. And then I'll flip this as well and cook the other side for some minutes. Thereafter, I'll take this out of the pan. Thank you very much, HILDA BACI, for this recipe. This is sponsored by you. Thank you. Now on that same pan, I will add butter, melt it, and then I will add my cooking cream. I added some black pepper, some garlic powder, some salt, and give everything a stir, and then I'll set aside. In another pan, I will add some butter, allow to melt, add my vegetables, carrot and bell pepper, add some salt, cook for some minutes and take it off the heat. For the mashed potato, I'll start by boiling some water, add some salt, then add the potato, allow to cook, and thereafter I'll take it out of the water, and then I will use my masher to mash this up. I'll add my melted butter, stir this for some minutes, and then I'll add my cooking cream. Then I will add some cheese, grinded cheese. I will stir everything together. The reason why I joined the HILDA BACI school is to improve my cooking skills and to learn new recipes, which I'm really doing. Now I'll go ahead to plate this. Thank you so much, HILDA BACI, for everything. Love you. Mwah.